Exclusive.
You know, Chebia, the Ghana way we day top, they say COVID, we be the best way we take care of everything. Right now, government come out, president come out, say, people who they come into the country, it be them they bring COVID. I want to ask you, if it be so, the test that they do for the Ghana airport today, it don't be correct, and I say, it be what? Because we pay 150. Everybody they come the country is supposed to do a test. So how come the people that they come the country, they bring corona? The test is the scam, and I say it be real. What I say, if we make we know. If the test no good, you for stop they do the test for the airport, which means you for stop the 150. But if people they pay 150, we still the people they bring corona, then for me say the test no good. Charlie, Munja is coming to airport.
So this is trying times. Now untia ubetiewati. Shedadio panka. Tie. Yes, Woody Jakwa, Yenja, Kwa situation, Samine, Mumipim, when you know my and your qua. Rent a summa, me feel rat in the gate, and no dime, crab the D beside the same besima, with their quakuti, gay. Mammy precious, it can 70 die, kunto qua, or see with Jammy, be a me hotri me, a Santa Macuma, a confirm me gate, every amima, and not dynamica. A busia frame, seven paper trash, a braminisika, boss to fire me for job side. More pressure outside, always aiming for my goals, but my problems they make them offside. Praying to the most side, he's the only one who knows side. Go through a lot, past the guy who they sleep for roadside on a low. Me spirit near the low, always crying, no more lying. My witness be my pillow, mean to mean do. Mini do, kwa brania danity tinto. Posting pictures like I'm living good. Si obialo, ubianka, be a breadwinner. The same podi mini oven. Ebusieni that me so not easy to be the chosen expectation at the highway. Me tia depression go moving. Life up on that standstill. Find ways to get it moving. When you make you be brother to all. When you no get your own brother self, no one pick your call. The little thing you do will no be problem self, they go ball. Pray for friends who go support you in your rise and your fall. The rate at which is social to me considering the circumstance. I wonder why I need now so to me all at once. It's shaking me confidence. At times cry it to be semi plans. Will be a cry. Now me sure see be an amenya chance, but I go do one. When I fail, I go still do them again. The janko yeah. And your news cause already me Philippines, but I go we say make the Lord see me through, make us start the game, make my hard work start the good result, make I no work in vain. Trying times, what are they go through? You be trying times. I know Jago heal me. I know Jago heal me. You be trying times, trying times. What are they go through? You be trying times. I know Jago heal me. I know Jago heal me. Damn, Charlie. You see this song, You see the way I'm a miniature, like I'm a Martinez, yo. This song gets me so emotional. And trying times, I know you're going through something like that. I know each and everyone is going through something. But this song is to let you know, sir, whatever you're going through, the trying times will be over soon. There will be better time. What you are saying? There will be better time. I had to clean my face. So that is what trying times is about. So if you're going through trying times, no sir, it will be over soon. So elevation EP, elevation EP. That
yeah, I'm with my nigga, my man to be, my husband to be. Incoming or comfort party, the girlfriend. Make an look at me. Oh, see me, one mama late. Current state. No, Bama no more than Musala Musala. What there's someone Santa for Santa America for me born in what you say. A fear for me. Chico X or comfort party, what they are saying. Superstar, international, legend.
America in Antoquesio, America, Ubia so you or Parliament, and a quad in a so among yes, sir. Oh, Jimmy, t-shirt na me no twae no Fatu FM so baby a okọ no catch am the t-shirt na the t-shirt na hye me USA USA okọ CNN na ko Al Jazeera okọ BBC a BBC ubati USA because of comfort card and check with travel to no share there USA Salama Jimmy and Takwasi police for book card am say George Floyd who no Lord Kenya make me kan wasem Lord Kenya only mo asem bia George Floyd the only man said about USA check with transfer concert Jamaica for na atiasi America o ma show you or parliament hono mongo pata o mo
so mo so mbechim yo no hu ase
ana me cho waji America for the match Ghana for the match concert
etika bibi Wati kasa
ama me cho o me tam santa se belem deeper life asore in 2020 waji so reaching a concert
man respect I'm with my future husband Uncle Fokade. Man, driving Namu from Santasi to your friend is saying Nambanti Mount Junction Abricon. What you saying?
Hello. Sawuntia Ubetie.
By force.
Yes. And Daddy Opanka ni anene wo afidie yi so yi. Ma hefo Daddy Opanka na anene wo afidie so. Daddy Opanka, ya ma wa ha awie yi.
Yo, mira me so.
Bra, unia ensem bebre na ekoso trend me donya me WhatsApp audio messages bebre. Na me di ma tuntuto fom na yese wakoba nyum bi ama abrochefo na dwa papa. Bra na me pa cha enyum no edisan
Uka se edison ba chocheche bu aka ma.
Enyum the title edison.
Enyum the title the Boga. Yeah.
Oh okay, na bra. Edie na inspire one ma wo Boga.
Oh okay, first of all no me da se e wa kwanyai. Na obi biara otie mo bi oni ade na obi biara otie interview yi se ofi abrochi a me say obeto ne bo etie na me wo kan yi. First of all, enyum no nye enyum a me di se bi enu anu mo gwa abrochi na atem dabi. Nipa and shocking is so be enyum ma ne bo efu. What does the Ghana for my yesa? Yes, enyum a me to ye no o tie mu nsem na me ni abrochi fu now. Me ka based on something. Wo se wo enianum bia your family members dia so mo kwa abrochi na kam strong mo a omo nkam pasa nya mi strong. Meaning say obi abre edumu gwa abrochi bre me nka say obi amre yes obi abre ba mo na me ka wo me ka omo anya mi strong mo a no mo twa omo families in trust nya mi strong mo say wo bre a enye wo na me ka daddy ina the American say what are your relatives bi mo ha na be to me strong
yeah no correct
do ha wan kasa wo fie utumi bon mo do tumi nya scholarship utumi nya baby na wonya ticket na baby ade be kwa abroach utumi frɛ o family member wo fa bi say o wo fa menya kwai akonya bi ba abroach ntina nka wo betumi ma betena won chain for be 1 month and na media hu krom na me ama start ayame niam na wo betena bi wo ha o family relative no ana o relative no o betena wo say member ye bre no we bu abem sanko America we bu abem o ma wo mba anga se o metua wo play ticket na bra wo ana bibi ena me ka online bibi me say wo ma me invite me mbu ma bem aya enya me ma se na make sama manfo what you say it me ndi o mo gwa abrochina tem me ka only cause abrochina amafo be bra kwa nya me sure mo and also mo ka no kwese nya me sure mo ina eye de me bi mu so a eno so no kwa eye de mo but me ka owo anya me sure mo si eye de mo nti se onum se eye de ma wa nya na me ka
dabi
me ka only obi anya me sure na odi atro se eye de ma na on pese ne busie ni bi beba because we say they be on wa butina eye ne yes amata san ko fu na me kana me pese ya ma ye boni e ba de se na manfo tie nyum a omu ntie nsem na wo mu to mo bo ai se omu obi ne ha ma me bia oye audio or send no
yeah we dey watch chire mu pa ma ahwefo na ate ase se wo de nka woni adwenbɔ ni bi ata anwom na chi so ada se na wo ka bibi se maame no odio no na minim se wonte na se wate eti dia na wo ka fa ho
me control me say me nya hypocrite me ma ti bibi ameka se ma ti obi say na me but na eya mesre the reason why eya mesre ne say ma me no tumi say o the personal issue bi o ne busiafo in academy bi ne busiafo bi o na ne wo issue but na me say o ne busiafo wo issue a me mfa no mfa me fa nyum yi man ka hwe about wow desert man ka hwe about wow college school man ka hwe about wow be akodo a enyo no na meka the American say, Omoa, Yamisro, Moa, Stella, Muchan, say, oh, Breno. So, what time I mean, or do you or see, or I will show to see Emily and Ruabi in a your friend is saying, or no one back for 1 month. Now, you're gonna alienate. As some American say you're true. Now, on that Yamia simple, so we know daily bread. Now, only Yamia, yes, and Yamia, and I Wabra also. Now, other cats are all brea. And they say, oh, brave here. Ghana na kabenum sound kwano. Ghana na jaya in what I say. Like me Ghana ni, and me respect Ghana ni dio wa brochi. Sabi sikapenye adeketwa. It mean to me me dio bi atem. Dabi, but some American say, okobo brana nya misrawa. And they say but tell obenya 1 billion as I do say. Wabra bo koso. Nya misrawa, not me nya nya bedia. Nya misrawa, nya nya ye. Nya see yanka sempama ye. Homa yanka Dama and card upon him. The other cannot only follow. Yeah, Matthias. And you're right. Bread. And I make us say, I'm passing bread, dear. And the bread here. What I say, you will be a home, only living a life. Into the mean to mean disrespect, your mom will go that baby. And based on a seminar, make us I am sure more. Almost cannot credit. Any almost some relative be bar, almost person because of yes, a matter. Say, no, me, put me myself in America, say, if I go to that will be no. Amount for you know, sometimes, what's a new to pass them. Yes, even sometimes a humor. Yeah, which I see, but if you know, some I am a like, Obi you kumuni, maybe if I say, what's in you now, mammy, who can sit as you. Now, that's a no case, a woman. I say, also, I'm over to have a case in a sea, in a Uber, no, I'm a grand show. I'm a man, who domain and I'm a men do me. What I say, yeah, your coach and say, you're but sometimes you near my beer. A town will be a sorry, I say, Trump, you're racist. Yes, I say, will be a racist. But yeah, I will call me Patton Maja say, and I mean, you see, now who domain. You can say, oh, what I say, like sometimes, as Simi say, me call me and I come for behavior towards each other that way. I'm sure the truth of the time, one Ghana, yeah, Chinese food, Ghana, I want to boom. Almost like one apartment, one building. Yeah, the truth of the matter is, even Ghana, Abochi, the brain point kabum, the brain kabum, the brain from Wasem. They're preaching say, yes, support you, yeah. But I say, young can't share some by your home. Young can't share some of my home. And that's oh, yeah, the dynamic, Kunya Brabo Koso. What I say, I didn't point to meet your relative, Mr. Charlie, Minia, Abochi, I had but let's talk about the and you are. But men won't pana bim, bread in a yeti being and we did quite by only I don't know. In everything, there's an advantage and a disadvantage. Yes, and Ghana, you're no one fine. Identity abroad been fine. But Ghana opportunity in Yasa. Debbie. Opportunity. Yes. Into the own aspect is a opportunity. Now, so when you're inquiring, if you are a disadvantage, you need to look on your opportunity now. Ghana answer the service. Sometimes we do all need or no just ordinary license or bonk or more game now. Yeah. But this one. Baby, I see. If you want to me, as they say, I will say, you man who also when you are Sakuyana, who went to our own national good game now. No, and Costa, baby, when you go to Rome, you do what the women do. It is our own fire. Say that the Ghana and I Banze, who now expect to say, Ubina, Ubito, Yokogalu or Quang. obi tom benkuni nkuma o kwan ho sa na anye Ghana na wo no enti mo sa me ma bi no yenye view ya kasa ti say kasa di ni nya ye ka o ja say
ya me to ase pa
ni nyum na say only problem that is between you and your family me fa me fe ngu Ghana ni ma si o to me ma mi pa wa ye body to me o ja say me nkasa nya be tia ne ka because you Christo ni antitimesa na Bible me say nyame si da sa no kesi ti no opeyin bia odum ni pa me nso nim nyansa opeyin bia odum ni pa bia me nso onfi ni nyame o ti ase na nyame so ni eso no ti no nya obi onfi nyame bia ni tumi bia o ti ase eso nyame nti aso ameka no se obi papa ne say me di abrofo ni na Ghana fo egu abrochi adabi sorry mean to me disrespect Ghana for Guabuchi. So me Ghana ni respect Ghana for pa. And I respect Obiana struggle, but they make can say one time you show one person will be kind shot my mom dibia omu kan do me say omu kaye bread the boom nko fa be menye and I make no.
Mati. Daddy Opanka, me gidi say the akosu you woman mu abem e wo nwum tuom.
Oh, Babi. I'm so that is me revolutionist too. We are new to it can cough up we see and let's say we are new to Nino. Now I knew that and to me boom Kenya Nipa. It say to me in a new Obina Obian to me funny the same da.
Yeah.
Me say them we were enough for Kilomugo Brutia or Matio almost support your Macasi. I'm Panawakano. You're coughing the breed the atro, the breed soon can occur. What I say? If you know, a bit more fun, I know you so fun, but what I find say, yeah, they mean to me, Ghana for that. That means to me, Ghana for Guabuchi. And as I went to me, Bumabim, me and to me, man, 77 mammy, I only need to change to me, Bumabim. Or doing the pound to me, Bumabim. And you know, that it's him, yes, I'm a thing, yet I'm sure to see me. Let me be at Miss Fino, and Yamete, you know, Cassama, yet any part means Yamina Mission and any part. And you know, Mammy Ukasa, the Bria Casania to me, my Yufia of him. What I say, obtain the answer in the answer, okay. So even what I said no wrong part, because oh, not then I'll be say, see, no, see the panels on the side.
Yeah.
But also, I can say, I go, she's now doing that the piano fire in a sea, that make up Namanka, you treat passport, you could never 2 parts of my smile, when I'm a car of foul. Papa foul, baby, I'm power, and I'm there, madam.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm going to say, we're for any fire, you're good to it. And okay, putting him out to be sorry, my phone, because of freedom of speaking, you know, who can say, oh, right, so before you say, all right, here, before you have to need to be born to me for your nipa. What I say, and we knew what be a Yahweh. Remember, dear, we can't say, wow, fuck when we were for deserts, what I say in 1 yard. No, me can't want to say, I make that say. Ukwa brochia mo mpese mo bra omunka insurance mo omunka de papa de bi omo se omo bre no omo na meka enyo ni mpoa enyo right de ga be kama ho se bi onyeni na bre dabi
enyo no
fast one life no you are blessed so fast one life no na me shiraw kan insurance ma ho na insurance ni mbrim
ja say no enyo no ba start promotion ni da ben.
What's that? When you release in November, we release that I never start promotion. We release that you know, after I mean, the Nipana Quatin.
Oh, okay. Now, only way so Tiasiame and Warren, no, very nice track. Na very nice track, pa. Me I hope say be a course for onyum tuomu. Because me na follow watch it. Yeah. Say I have for no unse. Also ma capella no musi ampa. Daddy Opanka no kura na ne ne kasa no. So what I say? It's me freestyle kakra.
Opa almost me voice na.
Oh, who's that? Me to be honest with you, a voice, anyone you to a voice in the difference with mommy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, am I
yes.
Shasia mami worry.
Yes.
So open suna me no ka boom ne da no suna ye waria. Obetipi. Oh. The wedding car never. The wedding car never.
Daddy Opanka, you better was to be brave. So say, oh man, now need to train come on. You better have for so says now we need bad mind be for that, you know. And then obi and who children so now we can ask them. Yet for any I have for that was to be brave. That's an baby actually I mean best out to yourself. Why?